How to download Among Us on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Play Store application and on the search bar, just search for Among Us. Tap on it and then you can see the option of install. Tap on the option of install and it will start to download the app on your device. Now wait until it gets installed on a device and it will lead you to the security scan of the application. After the security scan gets passed, you get the option of open. Just tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the application. Now the home page of the application looks something like this. And you can just create an account and log in and enjoy the application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.